Have you ever noticed how some people seem to attract wealth without even trying, while others work endlessly and stay broke? Here's the secret. Money is just energy, and your subconscious mind is the magnet that either pulls it in or pushes it away. But what if I told you there's a way to supercharge your subconscious, so it automatically attracts wealth, success, and financial freedom? In this video, we'll dive even deeper into advanced subconscious programming techniques that the rich use so you can unlock unstoppable financial success. Let's begin. Money is not just paper or numbers, it's energy. Your subconscious emits a frequency that either attracts or repels wealth. If you feel desperate for money, your subconscious sends out scarcity signals, and you attract more lack. But when you feel abundant, your subconscious creates opportunities, ideas, and connections that bring wealth to you. Stop focusing on what you lack. Instead of thinking I don't have enough money, say I am open to wealth flowing into my life. Feel wealthy before you are. Imagine already having the money, feeling the success, and living in abundance. Your subconscious will start aligning your reality to match it. Your subconscious is activated by triggers, symbols, words, and experiences that shape your beliefs. The wealthy train their minds with positive money triggers every day. Surround yourself with symbols of success, a vision board, pictures of luxury, or even physical cash. Why? Your mind absorbs what it sees and works to create it. Say money affirmations daily. I attract wealth effortlessly. Money flows to me in multiple ways. Why? The subconscious learns through repetition. Feel the excitement of wealth now. Instead of worrying about money, feel gratitude as if you already have it. Why? Emotions program the subconscious faster than thoughts alone. The subconscious is most active before sleep. What you think about at night shapes your beliefs and decisions the next day. Write down 3 things you're grateful for about money, even if they're small. This shifts your energy to abundance. Whisper money affirmations to yourself as you fall asleep. Your subconscious will absorb them without resistance. Close your eyes and see yourself already wealthy. Feel the success, the lifestyle, and the freedom. This plants a seed in your subconscious that will grow into real opportunities. Now you know the secret. Money isn't about luck or hard work alone, it's about how your subconscious mind is programmed. In the next episode, we'll reveal the one hidden mindset shift that instantly makes you more confident, powerful, and unstoppable. So hit like and subscribe to Wealth Unlocked, because financial freedom starts in the mind.